Judah, do you have a new airplane in your room?
Yeah.
Where is it? Can you show me?
Up here.
Up there?
Yeah.
Who made your airplane?
Papa.
Pa?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you like your airplane?
Yeah.
Hey, Colby.
No.
Colby, where are you?
No.
I hear you.
No.
Is that you, Colby?
No.
I think we lost Colby.
Huh.
Colby?
Ah!
Shh. Colby, do you have a new airplane?
No.
Do you have a new airplane?
No. No, thank you.
Where's your airplane?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yep.
Who made it?
Papa.
Aw, that's very nice. Let Mommy go see it.
Look.
It's very nice.
Cup on cup on cup.